The next quick digital learning tip that I'm going to help you out with is figuring out how to navigate Schoology efficiently. I know some of you have been doing it for a while, and you're great at it. Hopefully you pick up a couple tips here though. First of all, the center here is your feed. Of course, you can click on any of these. Puzzle pieces are assessments. These little things here are assignments. We have discussion posts. We have just websites, all that type of stuff. So you're getting used to that is kind of a good idea there. But on the left-hand side, what I really want you to focus on is clicking on grades. And if I click on grades here, this is the grade book in Schoology. So it's kind of like your campus for Schoology. So if I take a look and I can click on any of these assignments, on the right-hand side though, here is a rubric. Here is just a graded assignment. So the rubric, I can see what the rubric looks like and what I got on it. Right here, this little paper tells you turned it in already. So if you have something that's turned in, like here, there was nothing turned in. We just did it in class. Right here's another rubric, but here's a 5 out of 10. I can click on the rubric and I can see, oh, there were some dimensions incorrect, or you forgot to put something on. So if there's a rubric there, you can click on it and see where your grading came from. If there's no rubric, you can just see your grade. This is also a very quick way to get to assignments. So I can click on that assignment, and I can get right into the assignment right away. This little orange diamond or part here means it's missing. So this is a missing assignment. And this one here is a missing assignment in the grade book, but it's submitted. So the teacher just has to grade it. You might want to send an email to your teacher just to let them know to grade it. If I keep going down, I can see my next category, all the stuff in that category, and this over here will be comments. So if the teacher added a comment to any of this stuff, you can see those over here to your grade. And that's a good quick way to get into your grades in Schoology and see how you're doing in the course.